Good afternoon, 6th graders. I'm making this video to explain our Week 2 homework assignment. It's called U.S. Map of Northeast Homework Practice. So just like we talked about in class, this is for you to practice every day. The rubric is down below. I give you 2 points for every time you practice, so your total points will be 10 points. So first thing we are going to do is go to the link in the assignment. And we're going to scroll down so that we have our map. And I am just going to show you quickly again the tricks I use, the mnemonic devices, to remember where the states are. So Maine I remember because it is mainly above the rest of the US. Rhode Island I remember because I know that Mass means big. Massachusetts is right next to the little small state of Rhode Island. So I just remember big next to small. Vermont I can remember because it is in the shape of a V. So I just remember V for Vermont. Connecticut I remember because the word connect is in between, or is in the word Connecticut, and Connecticut connects New York to Massachusetts. Massachusetts I can remember because it looks like someone is flexing their massive muscles all the way out here. Massive Massachusetts. Pennsylvania I can remember because penny means the same thing as jersey. Both are things I wear when I'm playing a game or sports to show what team you're on. So I remember penny next to New Jersey. New Hampshire I can remember because just like Vermont with the V, this state is in the shape of a lowercase h. So I remember H for New Hampshire and next to a V. New Jersey, I just said, is next to Pennsylvania, but also the state is in the shape of a J, J for Jersey. New York I can remember because it is in the shape of a Y, and I remember Y for York. And there you go, we have completed our assignment, but wait, I have to go to the Google form. I have to do this every single day to get points, and I need to first write my name, how much time it took us to complete the quiz. So I'm going to write 1.56 for 1 minute and 56 seconds, and I got 100. Once you press submit, I will be able to see that you've done your daily assignment. Hope this helped.